So when I saw these towels, I really fell in love with them. These are kitchen towels and they have some nice quotes on them. Really funny, you know. And this one is this is how I roll, with a rolling pin. This other one says chop it chop it like it's hot. And this other one says whip it good, as with a whisk here. This other one here, oh, forsake. These are really nice kitchen towels. They are all white with little drawings on them, and the patterns, designs are on both sides, as you could see. This is upside down. Let me show you the other side. Actually, it's supposed to be like this so you could see properly. Forsake. Yeah, and actually, you know, it's a great gift idea. Christmas is around the corner, or any occasion for anybody who's maybe a foodie and likes to cook a lot. This is a nice gift idea, and they're really cute. Again, I said, I find little sayings on them, quotes are really funny and, you know, engaging. Also too, it comes with a bag, like a little gift bag, so you can fold them nicely and put your towels in the bag and just give it to somebody as a gift. Yeah, I think this is my favorite one. Chop it like it's hot. Chop it like it's hot. I think I have a person who I'm gonna give this for Christmas. She will appreciate this. I got another set for myself.